Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to knit a very easy rose flower, and you only need to work a small rectangle of about 5 inches. So let's get started. To knit an easy rose flower, I'm working with 6mm knitting needles and worsted weight yarn. Cast on 10 stitches, or any number. If you'd like a larger flower, cast on more stitches. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've cast on my 10 stitches, and now I'm going to knit across the row. Like that. And now I'm going to knit every row. So knit every row. Go ahead off camera and do that, and then I'll show you how to construct it into a rose. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked a small section, and this measures approximately 5 inches. You can make this as long as you like. The longer you make it, the larger your flower will be. Now I'm going to cast off. To cast off, you just knit 2 stitches, and then you pull the first stitch over the last stitch worked, and then you just continue that way across the row. Pull the prior stitch over the one just worked. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cast off, and then I'll show you how to turn this little rectangle into a flower. Okay, I've gone ahead and I cast off, and I'm going to cut it off so I have a long yarn end. And I'm going to thread my yarn end into a yarn needle. And now I'm going to fold this work in half like this. And I'm going to bring my yarn down here to the folded edge. And there's my open edge, and here's my fold. So now I'm just going to weave across the fold. Like that. Now I'm going to pull to gather that up, and then I'm going to twirl it into a circle like this, and then I'm going to sew the end and then you're just going to weave those yarn ends back into the finished work. And that's how easy it is to turn a small rectangle into a flower. And then you'll have a pretty little rose that you can add to hats, scarves, bags and purses, or you could make into a brooch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.